Good. Can you turn to the person on your left and right and say, I am happy you are sitting next to me? Can you do that immediately? Fantastic, fantastic. I would like to share with you 4 elements that I've learned, even working with organization as such. The first one, G, is about having a growth mindset. R stands for resilience, right? R stands for resilience. And resilience is the opportunity to bounce back. I stands for influence. Your ability to communicate, to really engage your stakeholders. Because what is really so needed in the world right now is your ability to influence, inspire, and create the impact. And the final one is on trust. Right? How can you develop greater trust? So trust comes in the 4 C's. How can you build on your competence? The things that you do, your skills, your knowledge, your attitude. How can you also have the commitment, the consistency, and most importantly, to care about the people that you work with?